Now you see it, now you don't. The door that was there has now been removed. Show us, Susie.
It's temporary. No, it's not pretty. It's just a blanket.
Show us what you did.
No, we just took off this, slid out the door. Now we're clipping this up just so that we have privacy, and it's temporary.
Oh, I haven't displayed the bathroom. Let me go in there and show the wet bath. There you can see there's the toilet. There's that little step-up thing. Makes it, you know, the more of the natural position.
This toilet is too tall. We need a thing to go step the whole way.
Okay. Then there's a sink. And there's the shower.
That I cleaned yesterday because the dust had come in from the windstorm that was 66 miles an hour. Bless you.
Thank you. And there's a little cabinet. It's got a little thing with a fan on it on top. So it's nice to have a bathroom. It's awesome. And the seal doesn't leak in it like it does in the other one.